Today we're going to change the cabin filter on my 2019 Jeep Rubicon JLU Wrangler. So let's open the doors and see what we have to do. Okay, here we go. Now you can see I have the sheepskin covers. You say, well, why do you have that? You have leather seats. I deal a lot with a lot of mud over here, so I have these for seat covers. And also in the hot weather in North Carolina, you don't stick to the leather, so it's helpful. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, well, bunch of stuff. And this is for my winch and documents and whatnot. Okay, now the question is, do I have to take all this stuff out of here to perform this R&R on the cabin filter? I don't think so, but let's get started and see how it goes. So we have the glove box open, and then over here there's a lever, and you just lift up on it. There we go. That disconnected it. And then we go for the next step. So as you can see, there's a tab here. And then let's see how I can get this glove box down. I'm going to push that forward, and there we go. I pushed the glove box forward, and the tab got right by it. Okay, so where is this filter? Well, apparently it's down here where all these electrical connections and whatnot are. And I see here there's two tabs. I think you just squeeze those together and it should help get it off. Oh yeah, look at that. It just came right out. You see, there's a little tab at the end that when you go to return it to its location, you just put that in and then tabs will click in. So easy enough. And it has the factory Mopar filter in there. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, I think they said it's supposed to be done at 20,000 miles, and I have almost 30,000. I have 29 something on it, so yeah, it's time, that's for sure. Okay, let's get that out of here. Let's put it up there for now, out of the way, and if I forget it, it just flies off, no problem. All right, let's get this filter out of here. Pure Fall. I got this on Amazon, I believe, and I'll have a link below. Well, the plastic's tougher than I am. Okay. I got this handy dandy little knife entering a contest for that Street Speed 717 promotes. I have a lot of nice equipment from him, and I get to enter a contest, so who knows, maybe someday I will win, or a relative or something. That'd be nice. So here's the filter, and we'll wiggle that in there and squeeze it in and make sure that the arrows are pointing down, because the air comes, I guess, from the top down, and that's how it gets filtered coming in to the cabin. So let's see if I can get that in there without too much trouble. Okay, there's the opening. So we're going to have to squish it together a little bit to get it in there. I may not be able to do that with one hand on the camera. Let's see. Okay, it's going in. You can see that all right. You can see the flow is down. Shimmy it in there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to get this cover and slide it in there, and the flat part goes on the inside, and the notches, that pattern stays on the outside. There it is. That's in. Let's get this. Looks like I just have to slide this in here. There. It just slid in. There we go. Close it. I didn't even have to take the stuff out. It was a little dark earlier when I was trying to do this video. So there's the flashlight I was using. Those LEDs. So that's the procedure. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hemisphere Cars, over and out. And this filter comes with installation and removal instructions, or removal and installation instructions. Which probably would have helped if I read it a little bit.